Welcome to Jemma's channel. I will share how to make sour and spicy lemon boneless chicken feet today. Quick and clean way to remove bones. How to make authentic classic hot and sour sauce. Ingredients and recipe at the end. Remove the nails over chicken feet first. The scissors are tightened 60 degrees, which is easy to succeed. Deal with our chicken feet in the same way. Simple clean. Fit it with water. Soak for 30 minutes. Cut the lemon into slices. Cut the green onion into sections. Slice the ginger. Chop the cilantro. Remove the seeds. Break it with blender. Break garlic with blender. Pour minced garlic, chili slice, chili powder, and minced chili pepper into a bowl. Pour hot oil. And 200 milliliters water. Mix evenly. Put it in cold water. And Chinese pepper, green onion, and ginger. And cooking wine. Skim away the foam. Cook for 10 minutes. Take it out. And cold water to the chicken feet. Cool down quickly with ice cube to make the tasty firm and elastic. soak for 30 minutes. Next, it will be decomposed according to the structure of the chicken feet. Cut the epidermis with scissors. Scissors clamp the bones and put it out. Do the same for the rest of the bones. Cut out with scissors first. Grab the bones and bang it back and forth. Remove the bones completely. Bone removal is completed. Put all the prepared materials in. Mix evenly. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Summer match a crispy and delicious chicken feet. Refrigerated overnight is better. Refrigerated stores can be stored for about 3 days. This recipe must be made. It's tasty amazing. Please give it a try. Share it and tag me. If you have any questions, leave a message in the comment. Follow my channel to watch a video and first time. Thanks for subscribing and watching. See you soon.